Sir.
Okay. Hi dear students, how are you? Today we all are suffering from a great problem all over the world, that is COVID-19 coronavirus. I think you all are passing a idle time and you are deprived of getting any lesson from us, but today I am coming here to take a class for 7 English second paper, and I would like to teach you a grammar, changing sentences. Changing of sentences. Affirmative to negative. You know, changing of sentences, you have 5 marks. Now I would like to teach you some rules of affirmative to negative. First, only or alone. If you want to change a sentence where you will find only or alone, you can use, and you must remember that none but is always used the very beginning of the sentence, not middle of the sentence. Example: only Allah can save us. If you change the sentence into negative, none but Allah can save us. Another example: he was alone in the class. Look, here alone is middle in the sentence, but you must use none but beginning of the sentence. That is none but he was in the class. Next, number 2. Number 2, must. Instead of must, we use cannot, but. Follow the example. You must do the sum. You cannot but do the sum. Okay? Another example. She must help you. Then he cannot but help you. Clear? However, we learn only or alone, and if you want to change into a negative, you can use none but, and none but must use beginning of the sentence, not middle of the sentence. Next, we learn must. We use cannot but instead of must. Number 3. If any sentence starts with every, you can change it negative. There is no. Example, everybody loves flowers. Look at the example. We use there is no instead of every. There is no, and then we use the very next word of the word every. There is nobody. We use but, and next other person, but loves flowers. So students, look at the example. We can use there is no instead of every, and then the very next word of every, and then but, and other portion of the sentence. That is, there is nobody but loves flowers. We follow another example. Every mother loves her child. We can use there is no mother but loves her child. Okay, student, very clear and easy. And next we will learn another rules, number 4. Number 4. Always means all the time, and we can use never instead of always, and the opposite word. Look at the example. He is always absent. He is never instead of always. We can use never. He is never present. Another example, you are always late. Look at the example. we can use never instead of always. তাহলে you are never, and the opposite word of the next word of always, opposite word of let, punctual. Then you are never punctual. Already we have learned 4 rules of affirmative to negative, and now we will learn another rules of negative, affirmative to negative. As soon as, and we can use no sooner, had instead of as soon as. Look at the example. As soon as he saw me, he ran away. No sooner had, we use no sooner had instead of as soon as, and then subject of the sentence and V3 of the main verb, because here is had. No sooner had he seen me, and instead of comma we use then. Next, other portion of the sentence. So as soon as he saw me, he ran away. If we make it negative, no sooner had he seen me, then he ran away. Okay, it is very good and easy and enjoyable to change sentence from affirmative to negative. Now we can learn another rule. (2-2). We can use so dash that. Instead of to, we can use so, and to we can use that. Look at the example. He is too weak to move. He is so weak that. And then we look at the example. Then we use an subject. He cannot move. He is too weak to move. The answer is that he is so weak that he cannot move. Another example. You are too short to touch the doorbell. The answer is that you are so short that you cannot touch the doorbell. Now I will discuss about these 6 rules again. Be attentive very carefully. First, we have learned only or alone, and instead of only or alone we can use none but. Next, we learn must, and instead of must, to make a sentence negative we must use cannot but. Cannot but. Next, we have learned every, and to make a sentence negative we must use there is no instead of every. There is no. Next, always. It is very easy. We use never instead of always. Number 5, as soon as, and we use no sooner had. And last one is 2-2, and we can so dash that instead of to the dot or 2-2. Dear students, already we have learned these 6 rules to make a sentence affirmative to negative, and it is very enjoyable. I think you are learning enjoyably, and you must better and get a good marks. Now get ready to write down homeworks, and these homeworks you must do timely, and you can help your seniors or your father or mothers or any other person. Number 1, he must go home. Make it negative. Number 2, she was always punctual. Number 3, every student respects his teacher. Number 4, The boy is too timid to go out alone. Number 5, as soon as he found me, he fled away. And number 6, every student must go, must was always expect to step to us. He is alone in the car. So try to answer the question. Number 1, he must go home, make it negative. Number 2, she was always punctual. Number 3, every student respects his teachers. 4, the boy is too timid to go out alone. Number 5, as soon as he found me, he fled away. And last one, that is number 6, he is alone in the car. Answer the question and follow the rules, then you will learn something and you will do better in the exam. And our next class, I must teach you another option, and by this time I tell you that you must follow the rules of hygiene and get safe. If you get safe yourself, then you will feel better and you will free from all dangers. Homework, another homework, number 7. The man is too paid to express. She was in the house. She was alone in the house. Only he is my cousin. Number 10, everybody likes the boy. Okay, this 10 sentence is your homework and you must complete your homework. Otherwise, you will forget the rules. If you exercise better, you will good better, you will do better in your exam, and next year you must do better. Thanks to all. Be safe and be free from all diseases. Thank you.